Alright guys, it's me again. We got another car here. We're getting ready to replace this 2010 BMW 528i. Is a 2010 BMW 528i. We're replacing this belt tensioner right here. Yep, we got it from Amazon. So I believe the name of the company is Iron Tech Auto Parts. So the name of the company is Iron Tech Auto Parts. So we're gonna replace this automatic tensioner, belt tensioner. Also, it does come with we did order some Amazon Prime belt for this 2010 BMW 528i Goodyear. Yep, this the belt we're gonna install on this vehicles right here, guys. Yep. Also, we got this parts right here, the Sun Mickey. This the tools parts number, and I got this 60 pieces master torch bit socket and external torch socket set, which is this whole thing right here, guys. You got perfect for European vehicles. When a BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, these are perfect tools to have, especially all the torch bit, you know, hex. It's perfect tools to have, especially when you work on a car. Like as a mechanic, it helped me a lot. So I'm gonna use these tools right here, guys. So I also got this gear. Wrench. First thing we have to do, we have to loosen the belt first. We're gonna loosen the belt so we could get the belt out. Yep, check it out, guys. Alright, we're gonna loosen this up right here. Yep, you gotta push it down, guys. Alright, and we got the belt loose. Oh my god. Yep. Alright guys, we got the belt loose. So we're just gonna remove the belt slowly. Yep, that's the one right here, guys. Problem about this belt right here, the problem is that it was getting ripped, so we're gonna replace it with a new Goodyear belt, but we gotta change the tensioner because it's kind of off, so we're gonna replace that one, guys. Check it out. So we also need these tools right here. Yep. Alright, this one takes 16. Hopefully 16. Yep, it is 16. 3/8. Alright guys, we got it off. It's the one right here, guys. So it's only one bolt, one way. Yeah. Yep. Alright, the replacement parts. This is the original right here. And I guess the pulley is damaged. See right there? It's melted, so we're gonna replace it with a new pulley and a tensioner, same kind. So we're gonna try to put it in there nice and easy, guys. Check it out, same kind, direct fit. Alright guys, we got it in there, nice and easy. Yep, just like that. Yep. Check it out, guys. Alright guys, we got the belt, tensioner in there, and now we're gonna install this belt right here, guys, from Goodyear. So we're gonna replace it with this 2010 BMW 528i, replacing 17 belt, dry belt. Yep, check it out, guys. Alright guys, we got it in there. Everything's all lined up. Perfectly lined up. Got the crank pulley lined up. The belt tensioner lined up. Alternator. And also the AC. All we gotta do now is just gotta remove this pin right here. You gotta remove this pin. And the whole thing will automatic with the tensioner himself. Yep, that's how you do it, guys. You have to use this. You gotta use these tools right here so we could untension it, so we could remove that pin. Yep, check it out, guys. Alright guys, we got the pin all done, all fixed. Change the belt and new tensioner on a 2010 BMW 528i. Yep, 528i.